New this morning here at 5:18, 3 construction workers rushed into action to rescue 3 people from a burning home earlier this week in Glenwood. That's in western Iowa. So after hearing a child in distress, the construction workers sprang into action. They saw smoke coming from the house. They ran in through the front door to save 2 people. However, they realized a young boy was trapped on the 2nd floor and they had to quickly problem solve.
So I grabbed a trampoline and me and another friend took and scooted it over to the window, and it was black and with the flames and the smoke, and we coached him down to get him to jump. So he jumped out of the window onto the trampoline, and once he hit the trampoline, I caught him and got him away from the building, and yeah, we got off to the side, and we knew everyone was out at that point.
So the 3 men were hurt during the rescue with injuries to their faces and eyes. The fire victims say they are grateful to the men who were there and willing to help. Love that they were able to be so creative and find a way, because that can be tough and a terrifying situation. So the fact that they were able to stay calm and find a solution, amazing.
Especially for a young person, or for really anyone, you're having to jump out of that house and you're kind of having that concern about what am I jumping onto?
Yeah.
So for them to be able to jump onto that trampoline kind of expedites the process.
Totally.
I mean, just speaking from a parent's perspective, like a stranger being able to convince your child to jump to safety, that's a big deal. So kudos to the construction workers. Can't imagine how the parents feel about getting this kid to safety. I know, just
terrifying.
Yeah, it's hard to imagine.
I bet they're blessed to have that trampoline.
Oh, for sure.
Oh my gosh.
As much concerns as you have as a parent buying your kid a trampoline, that's a good one. It's a good one to keep in mind.